Good morning, new 1%. It's Satoshi Boomin coming at you with another video. Guys, please stimulate that subscribe button. We're so close to 15,000 subscribers, guys. And after 15,000, we're going to 10x. Well, 100x too. We'll get to 1 million subscribers. We're speaking that into existence, but that's a few years along the road. I got my hot tea and honey, lot loaded, ready to go. Let's get this show started, guys. We're talking about VeChain today. Taking a look at the price really quickly here, guys. Nothing too much to talk about. We had a dump yesterday. Looks like we're recovering from the dump back at 20 cents. 20 cents seems to be a good support line for VeChain, which, hey, you know, it's better than 1 cent. I would definitely have to say. This is still good, guys. The markets are recovering from the dump yesterday. You know, these artificial dumps are just created by whales to shake people out, in my humble opinion. I mean, shit, when we become VeChain whales, when we become, I don't know, Satoshi Boomin coin whales or whatever, we're going to need boats. We're going to need vacations. We're going to need to take our honeys out to Puerto Rico and stuff. So we're going to be selling. We're going to be dumping markets. It's all a part of the plan, guys. So we're not worried. We're literally just stacking and chilling. When in doubt, zoom out. And VeChain is looking pretty good here, just hanging around this channel of 20 cents. Didn't dump lower, didn't go higher. And, you know, again, we are still 17 days from the all-time high. So not too bad. When in doubt, zoom out, guys. Moving on. Taking a look at the Mainnet Stats here. Let's go ahead and give this a refresh. Yesterday, the mainnet looked good, burning 49K VITRO today, looking around average, about 35K VITRO. And then the clauses look good. The mainnet looks healthy and strong. Still waiting for proof of authority 2.0 patiently. I think that this will be definitely a game changer for VeChain, and the price will surely reflect that. All right, that's enough for the mainnet stats. Let's get on to the regular news. We've got the wonderful, amazing Eisenreich. Please donate to his VeChain address if you can, guys. VeChain and DMV MyCare have onboarded a new partner, Aloha Transport. Congratulations to them. Aloha Transport's work to prevent infections has been verified and accredited. Certification body, DMV, in accordance with this MyCare methodology. And I'm sorry, guys, if you can hear that knocking. They're doing painting right outside of the door. So it might be a little bit loud. There might be some knocking. Might hear some guys yelling. But they're doing some work out there, so just bear with me here. So, guys, this is awesome. Aloha Transport working with MyCare. The verification, which covers the group management and all its business segments, affirms the group ability to manage and prevent infection risks. So if you don't know what MyCare is a certification that is hosted by DNV, our trusted partners for VeChain, and all of the verification data is tracked and traced on the VeChain Thor blockchain. Investments in a safe working environment and staff well-being are important parts of a logistics group of Aloha Transport Sustainability Program through DMV's MyCare verification. Aloha Transport now gets its infection management work during the pandemic quality assured and inspected by a third party. The verification covers to the methods and routines for infection prevention that are applied in all the group's business segments. I think we're moving towards a world where, you know, they're going to take humans out of the supply chain equation. I mean, guys, think about it. The coronavirus, whether you believe it's real or not, you have to say that the coronavirus has stopped the world, put the world on halt. And it's a relatively minor virus if we take the totality of all the viruses. Let's just say if we got freaking Ebola, if Ebola could be transmitted through air, I think that that would be, you know, more dangerous than coronavirus, and that would cause even more. I think that would probably be the end of civilization with the way we handled this relatively minor virus, a coronavirus, shutting down the whole world, quarantining the whole world, supply chains in tatters. In order to prevent this, guys, we're going to need to take the human element out of the supply chain. And what great way to do that than via the blockchain, being able to track and trace from farm to table all the products. So these certifications are great, and hopefully more companies adopt it, because who knows what the next pandemic is going to be. There's a pandemic damn near every 2 years, and I hope that the next one is mild and minor, because we did not do this correctly at all. So shout out to Aloha Transport for hopping on the VeChain. Moving on. All right, we got Jimmy 2 times here, a trusted VFam member. He did a wonderful interview with Demetrius Nicholas from VeChain Official. For all that missed it, it's on Twitch. Great interview. If you're looking to learn more about VeChain, this is a great listen. He also uploaded it to YouTube, guys. Take a listen to the interview. I want to get interviews. I want to get people interviewed on this channel too. I just have to try to find a way to do it. I don't have like a webcam or anything, and I'm probably not going to do a face reveal till 50K subs or something. As a matter of fact, I don't even think I'm going to do a face reveal. Just too many motherfuckers out here getting canceled, and you know what I'm saying? Like, I've said some pretty raw shit in my life. I'm not trying to get canceled. So shout out to Jimmy 2 times. Great interview, guys. Demetrius Nicholas, if you don't know him, he's the ecosystem manager from VeChain, helping enterprises explore the potentials of using VeChain Thor in their existing business models and activities. Great stuff. And then he goes to talk about the e-health cert application as well. That's going to be very, very huge, and something that's going to be very important in the future, whether you like vaccination passes or not. Not vaccination passes. We could have an argument about vaccination passes. I'm on the fence about them. You guys have made very compelling arguments against vaccination passes, and I definitely can see where those would have a problem. But when we're talking about e-health certificates, I think that's a little bit more benign. I mean, yeah, people can see your medical records. So what? Like, I mean, that's not really gonna affect you too much. But denying you access because you don't have a vaccine, that's a little un-American. And I would agree with that. No matter how you feel on the vaccine passes and all that stuff. But the health certificates are definitely a good thing in my humble opinion. If you disagree, please, I already know you're going to comment down below and write a freaking paragraph about how health certificates are of the devil and the mark of the beast. So I'll be ready for it. Go ahead and comment that down below. All right, guys, moving along. We have Eisenreich again. VeChain and blockchain industry. Channer Jing, DevOps leader at VeChain, spoke about the competitive nature of the industry and its benefits of learning blockchain since it became part of China's national strategic plan, guys. So we know that blockchain is a part of the 5-year plan of the Chinese government, along with blockchain, AI, cloud computing. All that's a part of the 5-year plan, and all that is a part of the 40-year plan called the Belt and Road Initiative, guys. The Chinese government is going to be spending about $1 trillion this year just on blockchain technology, and they're gunning for that leadership, guys. They are gunning for it. So hopefully with this new crypto legislation, the government of the United States, and, we all need to do a better job of this. We all need to lobby. We all need to talk to our representatives to do cheaper crypto taxes. I did my taxes yesterday, and I wanted to cry, guys. Holy shit. Like, just, first of all, I didn't know I traded that much. Like, that was my first mistake. And secondly, man, dude, they took 22% of everything, bro. I'm down bad. I can't even afford to pay my damn taxes in the next couple of weeks. I'm going to have to literally sell crypto to pay my taxes. These taxes are too damn high, and we need to do something about them. yeah, guys. So if you haven't done your taxes yet, and if you plan on, see me, I'm just gonna tell the government, hey, this is what I got, because I don't want no problems. I don't want them, calling me. I don't want the IRS want nothing to do with me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and report it. If you guys do decide to report it and you've been trading a lot, just be ready for a big bill. That's all I gotta say. Be ready for a real big bill. Yeah, I wanted to cry a little bit. It's a lot of money. So just be careful. We need better tax laws. We need better representation in the crypto industry, lest we will get regulated out. And if crypto gets regulated, what's the point of crypto? There's no point, in my humble opinion. So moving on, guys. And lastly, I just wanted to touch on this really quick, guys. This is very, very interesting, and I think that this has a little bit of merit to it. Shout out to Secrets of Crypto. And here he illustrates path to alt season. Alt season is a function of market due to new participants flooding into crypto around the same time. This usually is triggered by BTC mining supply halving every 4 years. That's why I show the Bitcoin block halving rewards every day, which causes a surge in price or a sudden loss in faith of centralized fiat currencies. The duration of these phases are parabolic in nature, meaning phase 1 takes the longest, phase 4 goes the fastest. Phases overlap, it could temporarily reverse before continuing, but we always end up at the mania of alt season. It's likely that there are multiple alt seasons per crypto bull cycle of varying degrees, the biggest one being after the end of Bitcoin's bull run, when the largest number of participants enter the markets. And that's what we're starting to see here, guys. I mean, think about a year ago. You tell your family, hey, buy some Bitcoin. Nah. Tell them about a year and a half ago, hey, buy some Bitcoin. It's really cheap. It's only $10,000. Nah. During Black Monday or Black Tuesday, when Bitcoin dropped all the way to 5,000, you were like, hey, buy some Bitcoin. They were like, nah. But now, all of a sudden, Bitcoin surges all the way up to $50,000. And you get motherfuckers out of the woodwork. I mean, you ain't talked to these people in years talking about, hey, how do I buy Bitcoin? And then you slap yourself on the head and you sigh. And you're like, you are just a retail investor. And then the phase overlap occurs. Money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. Phase 2, Ethereum. Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin, and we hear talks of the flippening. Money is flowing into large caps, where we see large caps buy-ups happening. Then the large caps start to perform. Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin, and large caps are going parabolic. And then the phase overlap here is, regardless of the market cap, some altcoins with strong fundamentals are having pumps. And then the last phase, I don't think we're here yet, guys. I don't think we're here. I think we're slowly starting to get here. But I don't think we're going here yet. Phase 4, full-blown alt season, guys. We're talking about large caps have gone full vertical, and we're seeing blow-off tops, mid-caps, low-caps, micro-caps, all tend to pump around the same time. Large caps have been outperforming Bitcoin and ETH. It seems like every coin is going parabolic, regardless of fundamentals. Memes are everywhere. Everyone's super excited, and you feel mania in the air. I don't think we've got to mania just yet, guys. I think that once Dogecoin, which we'll get into here in a second, goes to $1, it's close. I think we will see full-blown mania. Full-blown mania. I think that we are probably in phase 3 right now. Bitcoin has been kind of just being steady for a little while, and Ethereum's pumping right now. So where do you guys think we are? Are we in phase 3? Are we in phase 4? Are we in full-blown alt season yet? Let me know down below. I just thought that this was a very, very interesting slide. And due to the massive amount of money printing, the massive amount of M2 money supply in the economy right now, guys, I just think that alt season is going to last a very, very extended period of time before we have any thoughts of a correction. That's just my humble opinion. I could be 100% wrong, guys. Remember, you can never predict these things. I have my targets. You should have your targets to reallocate capital. That's just a decision that you need to make. But let me know down below what you think, guys. Interesting. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value out of it. I think that, it's been a little bit slow in the VeChain ecosystem the past couple of weeks, but we're still riding strong, guys. At the end of the day, we're in this for the long haul, and we're buying assets that we're just going to hold on to for the long term, guys. We're going to speak 50 cents into existence. It's going to occur. We're going to speak $1 into existence. We're going to speak $18 into existence, because if frickin' Dogecoin could get to $1, then no doubt in my mind, no doubt that VeChain can definitely get to $1, guys. Thank you to my wonderful Patreon subscribers: AJ, Garlic House, MyCare, Sergio, Leslie Nielsen, The Fernline, Jeffrey, Ethan, AmericanHomeRemedies.com, Maryland for Crypto, Boost, Wayne, Fruz, Dan, Brady Adams, Joel Minnis, Kyle Butcher, Crypto, SVT.si, Eric Parr at Day the Voice for the People, HBDSouthBay.com, Ryan Ingram, Daniel A, Crypto Chemtrails, Climax ZH, Angela Schroyer, Craig Wadding, C. Vale, Maker, Dow Crumbs, Bearder, Leon Jackson, and Jacob Connor. I love you guys so much. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin block halving. We have 1,997 days to the next Bitcoin block halving, guys. And Dogecoin, it's on its way to $1, bro. Like, they weren't bullshitting when they said we're gonna get Dogecoin to $1. And you know what? I used to be salty and jealous, but now, just got to take it on the chin. I missed the boat. I missed the Dogecoin boat. There was a moment in time when Dogecoin was like at point, like almost a penny, and I was like, I could just put 10 racks right into Dogecoin right now. Let Musky Tusky pump it and then sell off, but I didn't do it. I was like, I'm not gonna buy Dogecoin, and I didn't, and now I missed out. There are Dogecoin millionaires out there right now, and that's just something you're gonna have to take on the chin. But the good news is that altcoins look to be recovering well. It's a sea of green out there, guys. Telcoin is up 50%. Never heard of that. ETC is up. Guys, we talked a little bit about ETC on the Cardano updates a couple of days ago. Let me know what you think about them. They're up as well. Bitcoin Cash is up. All the coins are up. All the coins are looking really good right now, guys. So enjoy today. Hopefully we can keep this momentum and gain back some of those losses we lost. We'll have to see what Elon does on Saturday Night Live. And if you bought Dogecoin, or you just mined Dogecoin 6 years ago and just continued to mine it and hold, you're up 718,000%. That hurt to say, but we take L's and we keep moving on, guys. I love you so much, everyone. Don't let your memes be dreams, and I will talk to you soon with the Cardano updates. Have a great day.